gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you found my channel. I like to do fashion and craft DIYs and all kinds of other fun stuff. So if you like this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Okay guys, in today's video I have some super easy Halloween fashion DIYs. Guys, I like to wear goofy clothes for certain holidays and stuff like that, and Halloween is no different. So I thought, you know, I'm going to DIY some cool Halloween stuff this year, and I'm going to share it with you guys in case you want to do the same. So without further ado, let's jump into these DIYs. Okay guys, so the only supplies you'll need for these DIYs is some fabric spray paint. I got this one super cheap at Joann Fabrics. It was clearanced and it was damaged, so I got it for like $1 something. And then some stencils. I'm going to start with a bat stencil. And then I have a plain t-shirt. You can use any color you want. And then a cardboard to separate in between the top and bottom of the shirt. I already have the cardboard in the shirt. I put the stencil on top of the shirt. And then I'm going to take my fabric spray paint and I'm literally just going to spray it in the stencil. That's it, guys. That's how easy these DIYs are. Now, I don't worry about the splatter because I think it makes a cool effect on the outside of the stencil. But if you are concerned about something like that, then I would suggest that you don't get the spray paint that's fabric. Get the fabric paint that's normal and just use your stencil as you regularly would. But I like the effect of the splatter outside of the stencil. So for this next one, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I have a pumpkin this time, and I'm just going to use the orange spray paint. I'm going to spray it inside the pumpkin, just in the bottom part. And then I'm going to use green at the top part where there's a leaf and a stem. I think it looks so cool when it gets on the orange a little bit. I think it makes a really nice, awesome effect. So that's why I don't worry about the splatter. I think it looks really cool. And then I was like, okay, wait, I don't have enough splatter. So I decided to go ahead and spray some more splatter around the outside of the stencil, and then I was happy with it. And then for this next one, I have this trick or treat. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm just going to go in with the orange first, and then I'm going to go in with some black and then some purple. And I'm not trying to get full coverage here, guys. I'm just kind of spraying it randomly in there. And I think that's part of the cool effect that this does. But again, use regular fabric paint and then just, you know, use a brush and stencil it in if you're worried about the splatter and you don't like the way that looks. So for this last one, I wanted to do something a little bit different, and I decided to scrunch this t-shirt up and then spray it onto the shirt just to give some nice, cool, I don't know, splatter look. That's Halloween colors. I think it turned out cool at first, and then I was like, I really want some more lines. So what I did is I went back in and just folded the shirt a little bit more and then just sprayed it on there again so that I can get a little bit more coverage on the shirt. I was not happy with all that negative space. And then it's ready to roll. And the final one that I'm going to do for today is a dress. I have this awesome spider stencil. So obviously I'm taking the white, because I'm using a black dress, I'm taking the white spray paint and randomly spraying it on there. I'm going to do the same thing to the back of this dress. And then guys, guess what? When I'm done with this, all of these DIYs are done. Let's take a look at how fabulous they turned out. And here's that one where I scrumpled everything up. I wanted to give you guys a closer view of it, and then I'm going to zoom out here and show you my whole outfit. But honestly, guys, these pants are way too tight for a shirt that is so short. So honestly, if I would have thought my outfits through a little bit better, I would have definitely wore different pants. But you guys get the idea, and different underwear. But you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, you get the idea. I was trying to be a little cute, a little sexy, whatever. Let's move on to the next one. So here's the trick or treat one. This one is so cute. I think it's one of my favorites, and this is the full outfit. I just went a little crazy with it. Put the purple tulle skirt with the purple shoes and the orange and black striped tights. I think they are so cute, guys. This is so fun. This is supposed to be like a Halloween-y kind of outfit, so you know, you can just do whatever you want, really. So here's the pumpkin one. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute too. Like, honestly, I don't know, maybe the pumpkin one is my favorite, but I think it is so super fun, guys. I just paired it with a black pleather skirt and then left those same orange and black striped tights on, and then added some orange shoes with some green earrings. This is so cute, guys. I don't know, I really like this one. This is more toned down for me, I guess you can say. Okay, let's see. The next one is the bats. These ones are fun, guys, but it's not loud and crazy enough for me. So honestly, I'd probably pop some color into this outfit, but I put the crazy shoes on with it and the crazy tights. I thought that that would add the little amber pizzazz that this outfit needed. But I mean, it's cute. It really is. It's cute. I like the bats a lot. I just wish that there was more color. Maybe I should have put some yellow in there or something. That would have been cool. Like a yellow background. Oh, I should have painted a yellow background. I might do that later, guys, because I just feel like it needs a little something else. But it's really cute the way that it is, and I'm totally happy with it. And here's the dress. Woo! Okay, I like the dress a lot too, guys, but honestly, it didn't turn out the full way that I envisioned it, but you guys get the idea. And I couldn't find like an off-color, like dingy looking white shirt to put underneath, but you guys get the idea. It's super cute. I would totally wear this for Halloween. I'd probably dress it up a little bit more than you're seeing here, but I was just trying to get this video in. Let's go ahead and jump into my final thoughts. Okay, guys, so like I said, so incredibly easy, and how fun would this be to do with the kiddos? This is a perfect project to do with young kids because all you got to do is put the stencil down and let them spray, and then when they pull it off, you have a really cool design, and they would have some awesome one-of-a-kind t-shirts that they could wear to school for this Halloween season. How fun would that be? I'm not really sure how much the fabric paint cost. I got a really great deal at Joann Fabrics on that damaged one, but I think on average they're not very expensive, and you can probably get them just about anywhere, any craft store, Walmart, Amazon, places like that. So it's still a super fun, easy project to do with the kids, and stencils are very inexpensive as well, and you can get those literally just about anywhere. So just keep your eyes peeled for those good deals, and maybe you guys can do something like this too. You can use t-shirts that you already have. You don't have to buy a t-shirt specifically to do this like I did. You could totally just use t-shirts that you already have, and that would still be super fun. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! So I love the Halloween season, and I do like to buy some cute Halloween clothes just to wear, you know, throughout the month so that I have some fun. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, so for today's, okay, I was so dumb. Like, I forgot what I was going to say, so that's why it was a long pause, so blah, 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 blah. Try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? I don't like it. Try it again. Or you can even make your own just by printing it off online and using a piece of paper. That would work fine too, guys. You have very different... shit. So it would be a really fun thing to try with the kiddos. I'm just saying you can use your existing t-shirts, or if you want to do what I did and just buy a pack at one of the places like... Oh, I'm getting too far into the weeds.